Hey guys, and welcome to Adrienne Taylor's World. Today we're making acai bowls. I just came home from the gym and this is my favorite way to refuel, and we're going to be making a super simple recipe today. Organic acai. For me it comes in a bag like this in the frozen fruit section. Each pack will make one bowl, so you just take one pack. So I thawed it out for about 5 minutes in some cold water so it won't just be super hard in the blender. Next, we're going to add half of a banana. I just cut it in half just to make it smaller pieces. Then we're going to add 1/3 cup of frozen mango, 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt. I use honey vanilla Greek yogurt just so I don't have to really add any other sugar to it. So we're going to do 1/3 cup. And last, we're going to add 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I get the vanilla flavor just to give it a little razzle dazzle. And here's our finished product. I hope you guys enjoy yours because I'm gonna enjoy mine. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's tasty. Really tasty.